In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TradingView background color. This quick adjustment can make your charts easier to read, cut down on eye strain, and help your workspace look exactly the way you like it. Whether you prefer a soft gray, a crisp white, or a true dark theme, you can do it in just a few clicks. Start by opening your chart and right-clicking directly on the chart area. Make sure you're clicking on an empty part of the chart, not on an indicator label or a drawing. In the menu that appears, click Settings. This opens the Chart Settings window, which is where TradingView keeps all the appearance and behavior controls for your chart. Inside that window, look for the Canvas section. The canvas is essentially your chart's background and the visual layer behind your candles, bars, or lines. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Background. This is the control that changes the overall color behind your price action. Next, click the color swatch beside background. When you click it, you'll see a color picker. You can choose from preset colors or dial in something custom that fits your style. As you select a color, you'll notice the change apply instantly to the chart behind the settings window, so you can gauge readability in real time. If your candles or grid lines feel less visible after the change, try a slightly lighter or darker shade to find the right contrast for your eyes. Many traders find that a subtle mid-tone works best during long sessions, while a darker background can help in low-light environments. If you see options for transparency or multiple color stops, those let you fine-tune opacity or create a gentle gradient. These are optional visual touches that can make the chart feel less harsh without altering the data itself. Don't worry. None of this affects your indicators or your price scales. It's purely cosmetic. Once you're happy with the look, simply close the settings window. There's no extra save button for this change. TradingView remembers your selection in the current chart layout. If you ever want to revert, you can return to the same background setting and pick a different color just as easily. And that's it. Right-click the chart and open Settings, go to the Canvas section, and use the background color swatch to select the shade you want. A small change like this can make a big difference in comfort and clarity. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized TradingView workspace.